Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the app itself. Open Snapchat and go straight to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji at the top left. Once there, look for the location controls, tap See My Location. If prompted, enable location permissions for Snapchat in your phone settings so the app can read GPS data. Make sure ghost mode is off, otherwise nobody will see you. With permissions granted, you're ready to choose who to share with. Next, we pick the specific person. Now navigate to the Snap map by tapping the map icon at the bottom left. Once the map is open, either search for the friend's name or tap their Bitmoji if visible. When you open their profile, choose Share My Location and select the specific option that limits visibility to that single person. You'll often be asked to pick how long, choose a duration like a few hours, or until I turn it off. Confirm your choice. Snapchat will send them a notification that you're sharing. Finish by checking that the friend got the notification. Open chat or look for their Bitmoji on the map to confirm visibility. If they don't see you, make sure both phones have a stable internet connection and that Snapchat has precise location permission enabled. Also verify ghost mode is off. If problems persist, restart the app, toggle permissions off then on, or reinstall Snapchat. These steps refresh location services and often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.